Today is a nice day here at Chittagong, Outer Anchorage, on board MT High Hunter. The hour of departure of the vessel has almost arrived. Only 1100 tons of palm oil to discharge. So they're preparing for sailing already. The cargo is not finished, but the handsome boy of second mate is preparing his papers. Okay. Maybe in future he will come back again. This is the background, is Chittagong city, and these are the vessels, big vessels, some other vessel, and the smaller one, they call it barge. Today is a clear day. Today clear day, so I thought this is the time I should make some video. Those who are interested, especially, this is an opportunity to take video inside and outside of the ship. People obviously got some curiosity to satisfy it in my ability, whatever. So this is the oil tanker basically. You see, when the speedboaters come, we come and go like this with the speedboat. Okay, to the ship. There's another ship brought some shots of grain or fertilizer or limestone or coal, like that cargo. Normally, the bulk carrier, these are called bulk carrier, they bring from abroad to our country as per our needs. This is inside the breeze. So I go all the way to the other side where I will be able to show you the other lots of vessel. At the tea space over here, small refrigerator, water dispenser, coffee maker, all this. Like you are in your house. So these are the vessels on other sides. Vessel is turning right now. The vessels on the side. Today clear sunny day. Wind little breeze is the pleasant breeze. Morning would have been better even, but I was a little bit late because at night I went to bed late because of some personal shipping job. Okay, so this is the opportunity for me to take some video because the day is clear and I can share with my group, relatives, friends, even to the foes, whoever needs, whoever likes it. Doesn't matter. If they're enjoying or become a little bit of benefited, whatever the way it may be, this is my satisfaction. Doesn't matter who uses it. It's beautiful. This is called the funnel. The use what comes from the engine room. You see, comes from the all from engine room. All the exhaust gases comes out by this funnel. And here again another side of him coming. City of Chittagong in the background. Yes. Chittagong city in the background. It's totally picturesque today. The speedboats are coming and going. With the officials, I'll also call up my speedboat soon so that I can leave. Okay. Hopefully, I'll still be living with them. Okay. So, but today, I think it's good enough. This clip, and it's more or less a good clip. Enjoy yourself. Good day.